If you're looking to start an online business, you've probably come across the term dropshipping. Welcome to Shipyaari's YouTube channel. Shipyaari is a solutions provider that makes your logistics hassle-free. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment technique that allows you to sell products without holding inventory. All you need to do is to build an online store to take orders, and a third-party wholesaler will ship those orders directly to your customers. Here's a simple diagram to explain it a little better. Your customer places the order on your online store. Your store automatically sends the order to the wholesaler or dropshipping supplier, and they fulfill the order. Steps to get started. Number 1, commit. The first and foremost thing you need is commitment. Like any other business, this business too will need your time, energy and money. It typically takes 12 months of a full-time commitment to a dropshipping business to reach a sizable revenue stream. 2. Idea. Do market research and understand trends to build a store that will work. Google Trends can help you understand the products that are seeing an upward trend, and keywords everywhere can then be used to determine its search volume. Competitive research. Learning everything you can about your competitors is crucial to success. Know their website, prices, marketing methods, product descriptions, reputations, etc. Keep your research organized in a spreadsheet so you can easily refer to it when making decisions for your store. Supplier search. Goes without saying, but without a supplier, you will have no product to sell. Ensure you spend enough time looking for a reliable and efficient supplier for your idea. 5. The store and the legalities. The next step is to build your e-commerce store. There are several options that enable you to do that. Some of them are Shopify, IndiaMart and BAP Store. Don't forget to make sure you also set up the business and understand all the legalities of what you are getting into. Marketing. Use paid ads, influencers, content marketing, mobile marketing and other media available at your disposal to market your store. Logistics provider. Getting the right logistics provider for your business can make or break your long-term revenue and customer experience. Logistics is one of the most crucial but often ignored aspects of an e-commerce business when starting out. On-time deliveries, reverse logistics and tracking are strongly attributed to a good customer experience and therefore higher customer retention. A great option is to look for a logistics aggregator that can simplify this entire process for you. Continuous improvement. Like in any business, understanding data, sales and customer feedback and using that to improve is vital. This will help you make smarter decisions for your store and take your small business to the next level over time. Whether you are a first-timer or a seasoned entrepreneur, dropshipping is a great low-risk option to start selling online. If you like this video, be a yar and like, follow and subscribe for more content from Shipyaari.